Sketch a graph of g of x equals the square root of x plus 3 as a transformation of the graph of f of x equals the square root of x. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our original function, f of x equals the square root of x. And we're going to look and see what transformation we need to do to turn this into the square root of x plus 3. So what we're going to do first is we're going to replace x with x plus 3. And if we do that, then that gives us the square root of x plus 3, which is our g of x. So we can see that the only transformation we need to make for the graph is to replace x with x plus 3. Now we know when we do this, this corresponds to a horizontal shift because adding or subtracting a number to x corresponds to a horizontal shift. And when we add 3, what this does is this causes us to shift the graph 3 units to the left. So we need to shift to the left 3. This is the only transformation that we're going to need to do to the graph. Now, the graph f of x equals the square root of x, we've graphed this many times. It starts at the origin. It goes through 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9. And it looks something like this. Not too bad. So with our transformation, what we need to do to this graph is we need to shift it to the left 3. So each of these points that we have, we need to shift to the left 3. So the origin moves to the left 3, and it's going to go right here. Then the point 1, 1 gets shifted to the left 3. It's going to end up here. Then the point 2, 4 gets shifted to the left 3. It's going to end up there. And then the point 9, 3 gets shifted to the left 3, and it's going to end up right here. So now that we have all of the key points for our transformed graph, we can connect the dots, drawing a nice parabola, and that is the graph of g of x equals the square root of x plus 3.